Hi friends, welcome back. Can I just say thank you? Thank you for watching. I have videos about beauty and lifestyle, and did you see my last video with Emily? Oh my gosh, we had so much fun. No, I don't have any makeup on. Today we're gonna do an everyday makeup. So this is basically all the things I use, my techniques, my brushes, my products, just literally you're gonna get ready with me. So we can chat a little, and I'm gonna do a full face. Like I literally, the only thing I did was put actually curl my eyelashes with my Lancôme eye curler. Now I will list everything below, and if you don't have time to watch the whole thing, hit pause, watch the rest later. Don't forget to subscribe, watch my other videos, and let's get started. Okay, so first thing you have to do is moisturize. Now, right now I got this at Sephora. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge, and it was free. Well, it was 100 points. No, it wasn't free, but if you have your points at Sephora, yeah, get this. I'm loving it so much. And Clinique's a good product. Always, always, always moisturize and pull it down the neck. So there you go. There's your moisturizer. Now I also sometimes like to use this Laura Mercier hydrating primer that I got from Costco. I think you remember all that. And then today I'm just going to use for my foundation this Hydroxitone BB Cream. It's SPF 40, which of course is so great. I think everyone should use a foundation that has SPF in it, because then you don't have to put SPF on. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on with my fingers. Although lately I've been thinking I should get a foundation brush, but I'm just that person that likes to just get in there and put it on with my fingers. So don't forget to get it everywhere. And okay, I did also just forget to tell you one other thing I did do before this video was I put on every day under my eyes this Skin Cuticles. This is puffiness. It has like caffeine in it. It's Skin Cuticles Age Eye Complex. And again, I'll put everything down below, but you just, well, I'll show you right now. You just take a little of it on your finger like this, and you just dab it. It's white. It does, it is white, but it turns clear. But this is for, hello, see those dark circles I have? This is for that. So rub that in, and don't forget Skin Cuticles. I love that. Okay, then I didn't get enough for my neck, so I always do my neck because I am out in the sun. You want your neck to match your face, so just take and pull that down. And don't worry, I'm not naked. I have my little Young, Fabulous, and Broke tube dress on, my tie-dye. Love that. Okay, anyway, so, oh, and I did blow out my hair, but I thought, how boring for you to blow out your hair with me. But I will tell you, I used the T3 from Costco hair dryer. I used the wet brush to brush it out ahead of time. Used the big, huge round brush to roll it out. So anyways, that's a little, I threw in the little hair tips in there. Okay, so then after you put on your foundation, I like to do my eyebrows next. So what I've been using lately, which is, okay, why can't I find it right now? Oh, it's over here. Just good old fashioned Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is her duo in Taupe, brow powder duo in the Taupe color. And I really don't use this lighter color, but it comes, this brush is also Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just brush them up first. And let me tell you, if you're not doing your eyebrows are so anti-aging. And I'm no eyebrow expert, but all I know is I would never leave the house without doing my eyebrows because it is so anti-aging. And as we get older, you know, our eyebrows thin out. And I just feel like already, like I feel like it wakes you up, it shows definition, it makes you like not disappear. I feel naked, honestly, without my eyebrows being done. I just feel like, what is going on? Like I can't leave the house without it. So then I just brush them up like this. And then actually, I don't know if I've ever done this on here before, but Emily's little friend, she's like, take your finger and kind of go up just right here, because it sometimes looks heavy right there. Love that little hot tip. And then I just set it with the Benefit, Benefit Brow Setter. You just stick that on there, and it just sets them right into place. there you go. Now your brows are done. Love that. Okay, then moving on. By the way, now that I have my foundation on, I can put my earrings on because I don't like to have my earrings on while I'm putting my foundation. And who doesn't just love a little hoop action? I've been wearing hoops a lot lately. And so anyways, love that. That was one of our favorite things. Emily and I did our favorite things we're loving video. Go watch that. I'll link it down below. Okay, and because I'm watching this video while I'm filming it, and I feel like my lips are so naked right now, I'm just gonna put on this. Okay, now this is from the drugstore. Limelight. Wait, no, I don't like that one. Okay, I'm not gonna do that one. I'm gonna do, oh, if I can't find it. You know what, I might not be able to find it, but I love just a good old fashioned, what is it, MAC. Can't find it right now. Anyways, I love their lip liner, but I can't find it, so I'm not gonna do it, but it's the Plum. But I'm just gonna put on the Charlotte Tilbury Penelope Pink lips. Now this is kind of just like a real neutral lip, and I just like that because I'm gonna kind of go dramatic with my eyes. But here's the hot tip, is to put a little highlight on the end, just right there in the middle of your lip. How great is that? And I feel like that's just like a really summery look. So yeah, there's my lips. Okay, moving on to the eyes. So what I like to do is I like to start with the shadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and use by Mario. This is his Master Mattes. Now, I wish they had put one shimmering one in there, but they didn't. But I like to use a combination of these two colors right here. And again, this is so anti-aging. I take a nice fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M502. And I sort of dip it in both of those colors. And then I just do right there in the arch right there. I just go back and forth, windshield wiper motion. Look at that. Hello, already look at the different settings. And it's just an optical illusion. I have very hooded eyes, and it just makes your eyes look like, hello, they're not so hooded. Look at that. And then the more, I just love to rub and rub. You know, the more you blend and blend and blend, it's just the better. Now, I know it looks kind of dark right now, but don't worry, because I'm going to lighten it up. I always put a little shimmer in the middle of it. Okay, so then I do the same thing, the exact same thing with a flat, one of these flat shader brushes. I kind of combine the two, knock off the excess, and I always do right underneath my eyelash line, the exact same color. Just run it right along the lash line, like that. Love that. That's all you do, just run it right, back and forth, right around the lash line. How great is that? Right? I'm already feeling like a person. Okay, then, now, lately, oh, I will tell you, okay, well, let me do the eyeliner. I like to just do the eyeliner next. But here's the thing with doing the eyeliner. If you do the eyeliner, then you put the shimmer on top of it. You're kind of putting the shimmer on top of the eyeliner, then you put the eyeliner back on the top of that. I don't know, it's kind of like doing things twice, but I just feel like I really like to get in there. And this is just the Lancôme, the black eyeliner. It's Kohl, let's see. Black is 602 Black Ebony. And again, I'll link everything below. So I just like to run that right along the top lash line, just like that, okay? And then, usually what I like to do is take a Q-tip and kind of wing it out like this, and it just kind of makes a little wing. Okay, then the shimmer. Now, recently, I do like that OFRA glows, but lately, I went to Sephora and I got the Fenty Beauty. This is the Killawatt Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule, okay? And this, I've been getting so many compliments on that. People are like, what do you have on your eyes? It looks amazing. So again, I like to use the flat shader brush. I'll put it, this one's shimmery, it's hard to tell in this video, and this one's sort of matte. So I'll just put a little bit, and again, just right here in the upper corner. And it's sort of like a golden, oh, I can't even explain this color, but I love it so much. Then I top it with the shimmer. And I put the shimmer just right over, see that? You can already see it like shimmery. I just put it right over exactly where I put the shadow, and it just adds a little shimmer Love that. And then I finish it with, again, your highlighter. Now, I'm gonna show you bronze and highlight later, but I use my highlighter, and sometimes I just use my finger, but I do love this MAC 217 brush. And again, it's like a fluffy brush, and I just run it right under my brow, just like that. And in the corners of my eyes, right? Love that. And again, just right in the corners. Okay, then you take your fan brush, and that's how we highlight. Now we highlight right here, in the center, down the bridge of the nose, right here on the Cupid's bow, and right here. Now we got the highlight. And then I'm gonna do my favorite of all time, Kevyn Aucoin. It's Sunlight. This is the Celestial Powder in Sunlight. This is what I use for a bronzer. And I do like this Urban Decay like angled brush to use it, but wait till you see the difference. Talk about a lift, watch. Follow the hollow, and you just follow the hollow. And I know it looks dramatic, and it is, but when we blend it in, we're just gonna follow that hollow all the way up. And then up here, right here. And it just gives you that sun-kissed bronze. And again, we're gonna blend that in. And then here's another secret. Of course, we do the jawbone like this on both sides, jawbone, and then bring it down. Bring it down like that. And then we're gonna finish with mascara, but before that, well, we'll do the mascara first. Okay, I have been liking this CoverGirl Lash Blast, and you just get in there. I feel like it's dramatic, but not too dramatic. So I've been using this, love this so much. Now my favorite of all time is my Lancôme Definicils, but I put it in my overnight bag and I can't find it. So there you have it. I don't know. And I hope my daughter didn't steal it, because sometimes she steals my stuff. Well, that's another subject. Okay, so then I just put a little bit on the bottom lashes. And then what I like to do, sometimes it's nice to just, if it's not enough, I'll go in a little bit more. And I do put a little extra to wing out the ends. And then I always think it's a good idea to take just a little spoolie and like separate out the eyelashes. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's it. Separate out. So we're getting there now. I'm gonna put on my under eye concealer because you can still see those dark circles. It drives me crazy. Now I do like the, I know I talk a lot about the Tarte Shape Tape, and I love that too, but I love this LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it comes with this little brush, and you just squeeze it. It's like a little tube. You just squeeze a little bit out, and I just put a little under each eye. Look at that. How great is that, right? And that just gets rid of those dark circles. Love that. And then I use my kitty cat paw. Looks like a kitty cat paw. My little, and I use that to blend it. And it'll get any fallout that you have from your eye shadow, it'll get that. And then I do kind of like try to wing this up. It helps wing up your eyeliner. Okay. Oh yeah. Love that. Okay. And then same thing on the other side. Now, how's everybody doing? Oh, this virus won't quit. It's just, you know, be safe, be kind, and try not to panic. Try not to, you know, get your panties in a wad, but let's all be safe and get through this, because there's a little surge. I'm a little worried. Okay, so, well, I'm really worried, actually, to tell you the truth, because my daughter is in Hawaii, and they're on an island. But don't worry, she's vaccinated. She had to go get vaccinated before school. But you know what I mean. Okay, then this is NYX. It's their finishing powder, and the thing fell off. But anyways, it's by NYX, and it's in the color Banana. And you just take a little, I take a little sponge brush, and I just tap that. It's setting. It's kind of like a setting powder, but again, it gets rid of all those dark circles. So after you put your concealer, you set it with this, right? How great is that? Set it with that. And then last but not least, I love this for the bottom. I love the eyeliner from Laura Mercier. This one is Amethyst. And I just like to finish that just right on my bottom lashes there. And usually I do this actually before my mascara, but I just think it helps define your eyes. And then again, if you feel like your eyeliner on top isn't enough because you put the shimmer on it, and again, you could do this at the last minute, but I just add one more little layer of black eyeliner before I walk out the door. And again, I do like to wing it out a little bit on the side. I don't know why this eye always looks better than this eye. There's always one, right? So just last but not least, one last little bit of this Lancôme eyeliner, and then just flick it out. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is what I do to hide the fact that I'm 52 years old, but I always feel better after I do my makeup, and I hope you do too. I hope you learned some tricks. If you have any questions, put them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, love you. Bye.